What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Today, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and the conditions of the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, the downtrend unfortunately continues. So the question that everybody's probably asking themselves is, do I buy, do I sell, or do I hodl? Of course, I'll express my opinion on what I'm doing with my own Shiba Inu position, and you can decide what you want to do for yourself because I always like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in, and of course, SHIB is definitely one of those. So, Shiba Inu is down 10.78% on the day as we break support below 42,000 Satoshi units. And I've mentioned time and time again how important it is for us to stay above that line. Now again, the overall market though is looking extremely weak as more people are exiting their positions, selling out of positions, rotating their positions, because before the end of the year, we typically see that in any market. Rotations, sells for losses, for people to, for tax purposes, especially here in the United States. So as you guys can see, we're not the only top 10, top 15 crypto that's down, 10% plus on the day. You could see Cardano significantly impacted by the sell-off. Avalanche down almost 13%. You can see a lot of different great positions and great players are down significantly. So we need to look at is, what does this mean for SHIB? And do we continue to hold? Always remember, guys, smash that like button if you haven't already, and consider subscribing to the channel if you've ever made any money on any token that we've discussed from now all the way back to when I first started covering crypto back in May. So, before I even dive in deeply into why I will personally continue to hold and increase my position size as I dollar cost average in, there's a link in the description below for Moomoo. So they're offering everybody 5 free stocks, up to 5 free stocks when you deposit 1 cent into your account. So again, any amount, doesn't matter, especially for those of you who live in the United States, take advantage and take the opportunity to get your free money. Up to $17,500 could be yours. You can do whatever you want with that money. Sell the stocks and buy tokens with it. Do what you want. But I think when you go in and find out what you see within the actual trading platform, you'll like it. So let's go ahead and dive in. First and foremost, Shiba Inu. Based off the pure technical analysis, unfortunately, we broke down the level of support we were looking to hold over, which was 42,000 Satoshis. So what does this mean? For me, I will personally continue to hold and dollar cost average down as we downtrend. If that means today's a last red day followed by multiple green days, fantastic. If not, and a lot of people have been talking about the bull flag that's forming. I didn't even draw it up, but you guys can see obviously as we continue to downtrend and, again, hopefully find an established level of support where we can hopefully bounce off of that support line and start seeing traction in the other way. We know that sometime this week, Satoshi plans to speak out. Satoshi's going to give us some pretty fantastic updates for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. So that's what we're kind of currently looking forward to. In addition, for me, the reason I continue to hold is I am very, very excited for the Shibarium, which is going to be the layer 2 solution for Shiba Inu's own blockchain, which is going to come live in the next month and week or so. By the end of November into December, hopefully that this will go live. They're also creating Shi. Shi is going to be pegged to the penny, a stable penny, right? Pegged to the US dollars 1 cent mark, which again is going to help our ecosystem for those of you who are trying to trade within the ecosystem and not migrate out of that. And again, lots of really cool catalysts are coming for SHIB, especially with the game that they're currently developing that we still don't even know what that looks like. We know they're working with a AAA gaming studio, top of the line, and I'm hopeful that this game is going to be one of the most successful platforms for gamers to come, enjoy time, use their Shiboshi NFTs and things of that nature. And I think one day, with the Shiba Inu's community size, as it continues to expand, we will see a lot more influx of new investors coming in, especially after the game launches. Because, again, I always talk about the perfect marriage between crypto and gaming. It all intertwines and comes together really, really well. If you look at Shiba Inu token news just per Google, you'll see a lot of negative headlines. And I think, again, when it comes to media manipulation, it happens all the time for cryptocurrency and the stocks, which creates even more selling pressure because it's like the sell is not over or the sea of red continues, scaring a lot of the retail investors, unfortunately. But you'll see big whales coming in. You'll see big institutions potentially buying into SHIB and other tokens only when they're on sale. So again, DCA or dollar cost averaging is what I always recommend because we don't know when the red is going to end. So if you have, say, $500 of buying power, Or let's just make it easy, $300 of buying power. $100 that you want to spend today, again, go for it to get some skin in the game. If you'd like to, again, after you do your own research, of course, and then say it goes down more tomorrow to $3,400. That's when you put in your second $100. And then say for a third day, it goes down again. That's when you put in your last $100. Otherwise, you can, again, at least get some skin in the game. And if it bounces off that support and we continue to rally up because of good sentiments or good news around the crypto market, hey, at least you got your position during the dip. So that's all I really had for you guys today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate everybody's love and support. And if you haven't already, make sure you check out the Patreon. We're creating a pretty fantastic group of individuals that are looking to become better investors holistically. Tonight at 8 p.m., I'm going to have a CPA, a certified public accountant, on the Discord to discuss crypto taxes with all of us. She's actually a crypto trader herself, and she's in the NFT space, so I don't think there's a better person to get knowledge and information from. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.